Hello YouTube, 2004 Chevrolet Tahoe right here, getting a clunk in my rear axle after I just had a transmission done. When you pull up to a stop sign, step on the brake, come to a complete stop, when you start to take off, it goes about 3 feet and then I hear a clunk and then everything seems fine. Thought it was a transaxle, thought it was a rear axle. Came out here this morning, pulled this girl apart and found that, which is my emergency brake, which did not, this right here, did not click back after I had set the parking brake. So, just trying to help all you guys out there. 2004 Chevrolet Tahoe, clunk in rear axle. Good luck.